Hey guys, we're back here at the court with another update for you. As you can see, there have been a lot of changes going on.
Yes, we finally added all of our great landscaping we've talked about in the past. Isaac Stein, architect from Miami, actually did the design of this work and was boots on the ground putting in all of this trees, mature trees, which we're so excited about. And where Kendall and I are standing will become the grand lawn, which will be just a grassy lawn that can be enjoyed by guests, wedding venues, etc. So this is one of our standard units. There'll be 6 total with queen-size beds. You see that we installed our beautiful white oak flooring and also our custom nightstands and desk with our Serena and Lily pendants lighting up the room. As you can see, the best feature in this bathroom is this gigantic electric lit mirror, and I think it just gives this unit that wow factor when you walk in here. This will become an all glassed in shower with the shower door here. And then the water closet room is going to be really fantastic. We've chosen a big graphic print from Serena and Lily wallpaper, and the rest of this will be wallpapered into that, so it'll give that drama to this room.
Yeah, so the stones themselves are tabby concrete, which is like one of the earliest building materials of basically the Gulf Coast and Southeast and Atlantic. And so essentially it's concrete, but instead of using gravel as aggregate, we use clam shells and oyster shells. So we ended up using a local craftsman and locally sourced materials to make these custom blocks. And basically they're 30% shell and they're grinded after we cast them. So they have, see, over time, you'll see more of the shell exposed as they erode and age in place. Like, essentially the building material was kind of discovered by, it was basically slaves built them as slave quarters for their own homes. And so it was built with like old lime, and it was one of like basically the earliest concrete building materials in the Southeast. And, you know, there's still a lot of ruins of these places, like in St. Augustine and Savannah and Charleston, and even some in Big Bend of Florida.
Thank you guys for following along with us today. We hope you're as excited as we are to see this project finally come to a finish and see how beautiful it's going to be. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, The Court Seaside, so you can be in the know and be the first to find out when we open.